interactive flat panel. So I can see through it, so we've already got smart boards. So this is the premium solution that Smart have just brought out. So I'll just talk you through some of like the technical things about the Smart E70. So it's a 70-inch screen. So it's an LED display as well. You can have 8 people using this at one time. So after we'll get you up using the board. It's sleek and modern design, so if after you want to come and have a look at the back, it's not much to the back of this either. It wouldn't normally be in this big old heavy flight case. This is just for demos to get it all around the country. And it also comes with your notebook software, which we're using already. So within the range, what the moment you've got is 600 series boards. So this is the E70 sitting at like the premium solution on there. So it's full HD resolution, so 1080p. So you should see the image quality is much better. You can change the contrast though if it is a bit too bright on the remote, like you would do with your TV. So it's a real natural touch experience. So again, after you can come up and have a play with this as well. Anti-reflective, so you can put this anywhere in the room and you can still clearly see this wherever you put this. So no one will have to pull the blinds down or the lights off. So because the projectors, that's what you have frustration with. That. So Smart just did a like touch the difference. Like Pepsi and Coke did taste the difference, so we did touch the difference. So we had 2 different screens next to ours, and ours came out 99% compared to the other 2 screens on touch alone. So commercial grade is 50,000 hours. So if you think your projector is 3,000 hours that you have at the moment, so 50,000 hours gives you a life expectancy of 10 to 12 years. So you're future proofing as well, not having to worry about any lamp replacements, or if the projector blows up, then is the projector still current? And it's also got auto shut off, so you can set that up to whatever you wanted it to be. So if it stops, you can shut it down after 20 minutes if you haven't used it. It also has a still function on the remote, so you can still the screen, but then be putting a password or something on your laptop so the kids don't see. So you have that. It also integrates with all your Smart notebook already, so any content that you've already got is the same. You just plug in, play, and start using straight away. It's got 2 10-watt inbuilt speakers, but I'd probably suggest your speakers that you've already got, that if you went ahead with it, cables could connect them up easily to your speakers that you've already got. Stand options, so you can either have it on a height adjustable wall mount, the standard wall mount, or a floor stand that is height adjustable as well. Connection wise, I'm just using HDMI and USB, so connections again, you're not having to worry about any more cabling because it's only 2 or 3 cables that you need for this system. And warranty, if you register within 60 days, you get a 3-year on-site, a further 2 years return to base as well. But it's just camera technology in that, so you haven't got much to worry about anyway. It's 5mm tougher glass, so they're not going to break it. So although at the moment you'll probably have like membrane technology in your smart boards. So again, you're not going to ever have to calibrate this board because you haven't got that membrane technology or the projector to do that. So it's none of that anymore. That's the wrong SRP. It's now actually 3,200. And that's just the technical part of it, of the unit. So I'll just go into Notebook. So you'll still have your features of Notebook within there. And Smart Notebook is changing for the 1st of April, so you get additional pieces of software, and then it's up to you if you want to renew it and get additional upgrades from Smart. So one of the ones that you'll get standard, just go into here, is you get 3D tools. So 3D tools are images. So this one, we've got the crab, and then you can change that image around. You can then label this as well. So if you hold it down, and then you add a label, so you add your text up in there, and then once you move it around again, it will then go with that. But there's loads of different images within your content that you can bring up on here as well. You'll also get extreme collaboration. I can't connect to your Wi-Fi unfortunately, but once you start extreme collaboration, if I was connected to the internet, it would bring up a QR code reader or a web page, so anybody that's on an internet device can either scan it and it will take you straight into the session, or you enter it in the website entering the session code and you put your name, and then you can enter text up to the board, and then you can select, once you select who's that, the text that's gone up to the board, you will then be able to see who that is as well. You'll send that up. You'll also get Smart Response VE within it. So Smart Response VE, have you ever seen the clicker systems with the voting systems? So VE is the virtual one as well. So again, using any internet device to send text up, and then you get the assessment after. There's going to be a new ink pen. I haven't got it on here as yet because it comes out the 1st of April. But when you select the ink pen, this one, it'll be in there, and then you start writing up on the board, it will instantly change it to text. So no more having to go in word by word and recognising, it instantly will change it into text. And if you want to delete a word, just put a cross through it. If you want to add in a word, just put an arrow in the word up and it'll ping it straight into there.
You do with handwriting, it puts it into a font, does that mean?
Yeah. Yeah, so your normal handwriting will instantly change it. So at the moment when you write say hello, you have to go into each word by word and recognise each word. But you won't have that any longer. It will just, if you're in that pen, it will instantly do it, so a lot easier. You also get maths tools within there as well as an additional feature. And in here you'll also have like a connect system, so your website can also be within here. So if you've got any feed that you wanted to go into, it will all be in one page. So it's all accessing it from Notebook and making it all a lot more easier, just to all access through one point. And then you'll also get an additional features from Smart every quarter that will be coming out, as well as that.
Can you use it like modern Smart? So if I wanted to just project a Word document up there and do something, can you do
So what you could do is just on your laptop,
Yeah.
you just add in there, and then so in here I've just got this that I'm just demonstrating in there. So if you had, also if you wanted to, you can always convert from PowerPoint into Notebook. You just go File, Import, and then you import it straight in there as well, as you would normally do. So you still get all your features as well. You still have your capture tool, so you can capture anything from the internet and it'll drag and drop into there. You still have your hide and reveal if you wanted to. So all the standard features and plus the additional features that I showed as well.
So if you had a document on we save it on our TV on Word, you can bring it up from here.
You can use that like as a computer monitor if you like. Yeah. It can be the same as your screen.
Yeah. So it picks up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can add that into there definitely. So I don't know if anyone wants to come up and have an actual go with it. So you get 2 pens and a pen tray, no eraser, but you just select the eraser on there and you get a remote as standard, but it's pen and finger touch. And obviously, so you can have 8 people using it at one time.
Come on. How does it work then without the eraser? I quite like the eraser.
You just literally select the eraser up there and then rub it out.
That's quite high.
With your finger.
No, also I know you have that lower, but with small children up there for the
Well,
eraser.
is that movable?
Yeah, you
Can you put that strip at the bottom?
Yeah, you can.
Can you do that, Susie?
You just press that button.
You can put the strip at the bottom,
Oh,
so
right.
then the kids can relax and play all day. So, which would make sense in your classroom.
Yes. Yeah. Some of them are so small, even if they stand in the block.
Why did you do that? Is that your sleeve? It was your sleeve. Oh, I like this. I can play with this.
Try some handwriting. What have you done handwriting?
So when you said the maths tools, because haven't they already got maths tools? They were using, if you know, square paper and
I
everything.
hate it when you
So
do
maths
that.
tools is it's an additional feature. You might have bought maths tools already.
Have we already got maths tools then? I have no idea. They would definitely have square, if it's got square paper to show us.
There's a new maths tools that are coming out as it's more advanced as well. So you have more content, which is going to be the first basic. You obviously bought maths tools.
I could have chucked a brick at that tractor this morning.
And it changes, but this
We won't have any of that in
No, I just couldn't make the tractor turn round to where I was.
How do you put it on margin then, like that, so you should that,
it doesn't work.
At the moment, you have to do this. You have to do maths and you replicate it. Yeah, so you select that word. Is that recognised?